The Gongul Agritech Mela 2025 held at the picturesque Coast Kashmir main campus in Shalimar from Feb 22 to 24. It was a monumental gathering that seamlessly blended agricultural innovation, advanced technology, and the entrepreneurial spirit of the local community. This landmark event not only showcased the region's agricultural potential but also highlighted its role in promoting sustainable farming practices, technological advancements, and economic growth. The Mela attracted a diverse range of stakeholders, from policymakers and industry leaders to students and local entrepreneurs, all united in their commitment to fostering agricultural development. The event was graced by several distinguished dignitaries, including the Honorable Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Umar Abdullah, who attended to underscore the importance of agriculture as a pillar of the region's economy. Mr. Javed Ahmad Dar, the Agriculture Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, also participated, reaffirming the government's support for agricultural advancements. Additionally, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of SCOAST Kashmir, Professor Nazir Ahmad Ganai, played a vital role in the event, offering insights into the university's role in agricultural research, education, and innovation. The presence of these distinguished figures lent considerable prestige to the event, underlining the significance of agricultural process in Jammu and Kashmir's socio-economic landscape. Spanning 3 days, the Gongul Agritech Mela 2025 became a hub for showcasing the latest agricultural technologies and innovations. The event featured an extensive range of exhibits.
आज जो यहाँ ये 3 दिन का टेक्नोलॉजी एग्जीबिशन मेला सुकास्ट में शुरू हुआ आज के दिन, इसमें फैकल्टी ऑफ फॉरेस्ट्री सुकास्ट के बेनियामा गांधरबल का एक स्टॉल है, जिसमें अगर हम देखें तो हमने 3 किस्म के पेड़ यहाँ अपने स्टॉल में लगाए हैं। इनमें एवरग्रीन ट्रीज़, इनमें डेसिडिवस ट्रीज़ और इनमें कुछ वाइल्ड फ्रूट्स हमने रखे हैं। इसके अलावा यहाँ सीड्स जो एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री इंटरक्रॉपिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं।
From cutting-edge farming machinery and advanced irrigation systems to sustainable agricultural practices designed to combat the challenges posed by climate change. Attendees had the opportunity to interact with experts and industry leaders, gaining valuable insights into the future of agriculture. One of the standout features of the event was its focus on medicinal plants, with several displays dedicated to educating the public about the healing properties of native plants and their potential to enhance local agriculture.
इस स्टॉल में हमने मेडिसिनल एरोमेटिक प्लांट्स, जिनके अभी फार्मास्यूटिकल हो या कॉस्मेटिकल या न्यूट्रिशनल इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड है। इट्स $1 बिलियन इंडस्ट्री राइट नाउ। यहाँ पे हमने इन स्पीशीज़ को डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट किया है जो कश्मीर वैली में जो हाईली पोटेंशियल, जिनका इकोनॉमिक पोटेंशियल है, और उन स्पीशीज़ के साथ साथ उनके जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं डिफरेंट, चाहे एसेंशियल ऑयल्स हैं या क्रीम्स हैं या उनकी टीज़ वगैरह हैं, उनको भी हमने यहाँ पे अपने लोगों के लिए डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट किया हुआ है। ये एक्चुअली हमारे ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर नज़ीर अहमद गनाई साहब की लीडरशिप में हमने सब किया है। इसके साथ साथ हमने एक सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस ऑन हर्बल टेक्नोलॉजी भी एस्टैब्लिश किया है अपनी फैकल्टी फॉरेस्ट्री बेनियामा गांधरबल में। हम अपने यहाँ के नौजवान जो हैं, जो पढ़े लिखे यूथ हैं, उनको दावत देते हैं, आप आ जाएँ। जो चीज़ें हमने डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट की हैं वो उसमें अपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप्स या स्टार्टअप्स का शुरू कर सकते हैं।
These exhibitions not only highlighted the therapeutic benefits of these plants, but also promoted awareness of their economic viability and growing demand in global markets. A highlight of the Mela was the highly anticipated pet show, which drew animal lovers, livestock enthusiasts, and professionals involved in animal husbandry. The pet show featured an array of domestic animals, showcasing the importance of ethical breeding, livestock management, and the role of animals play in sustainable agriculture. This aspect of the event was a testament to the region's deep-rooted connection to livestock and its potential to thrive through innovation in animal care and management. The Mela also offered a platform for national agricultural companies to showcase their products and solutions. Leading companies in the field displayed their latest agricultural inputs from seeds to fertilizers and pesticides while offering expert advice on their application. This created a unique opportunity for knowledge exchange, enabling farmers and entrepreneurs to explore the newest tools and resources available to enhance their productivity and profitability.
ये पीच 21 दिन के बाद ये नॉर्मल कंडीशन में है। ये हमारे फ्रेश मामा है, ये शेर छात्र तो 21 दिन के बाद नहीं ये असल में शीट होते हैं। ये ग्रे ग्राउंड का इथिलीन जो निकलता है ना राइपनिंग वो उसको
Different faculties of SCOST Kashmir, including agriculture, horticulture, forestry, fisheries, veterinary science, and mountain livestock, made significant contribution to the event. Each faculty presented their cutting-edge research, which encompassed a broad spectrum of agricultural disciplines. Whether it was pioneering research in soil health, advances in agricultural practices, or sustainable livestock management. The faculty's contribution provided attendees with a comprehensive understanding of the diverse area of agricultural science. This demonstrated SCOST Kashmir's leadership in the field, providing innovative solutions that are poised to transform farming practices and support the region's agricultural growth. Local entrepreneurs and students from SCOST Kashmir were among the most enthusiastic participants at the Mela, proudly displaying their innovative products and solutions. These young innovators presented a variety of agricultural patents, from eco-friendly packaging to new agricultural tools and technologies designed to address specific local challenges.
I have 4 different dishes: pani puri, kheer, chaat, and litti chokha.
This emphasis on youth involvement demonstrated the growing entrepreneurial spirit in the region and underscored the importance of fostering a new generation of agricultural innovators. Additionally, contributions from Krishi Vigyan Kendras (KVKs) throughout the region were vital to the success of the event. KVKs played a crucial role in knowledge dissemination, training farmers on modern techniques and best practices that can increase yields, reduce environmental impact, and improve the livelihood of farming communities. Their presence highlighted the importance of farmer support programs in accelerating agricultural development.
तो अगर आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास यहाँ पर ये फाइनेंस टेक्सस वॉलेट है ना, तो टेक्सस वॉलेट की अगर हम बात करेंगे इसमें टर्जोल निकलता है, दैट्स एंटी कैंसर। तो जो कैंसर पेशेंट होते हैं हमारे जो कश्मीर में ज़्यादा ये फैला हुआ है, तो इसका इस्तेमाल करके वो इससे निजात पा सकते हैं। और हमारे पास दूसरा है चलगोज़ा पाइन किश्तवाड़ में ज़्यादा पाया जाता है। और इसमें क्या है चीज़ें, इसमें हम नट्स खाते हैं इसमें। और यहाँ बहुत सारे प्लांट यहाँ पर आप फाइनेंस वॉलेट चाइना भी है जो आप देखते हो हमारे ज़माने में पाया जाता है। और हमने ये गंगोल जो 10th मेला जो वाइस चांसलर सर ने जो यहाँ से इनिशिएट किया, so I see a lot of people crowd here.
In conclusion, the Gongul Mela 2025 was an overwhelming success, bringing together a diverse array of stakeholders with a shared vision for the future of agriculture in Jammu and Kashmir. The event not only provided a platform for showcasing the latest agricultural innovations, but also fostered collaboration, research, and knowledge sharing. It was a celebration of the region's agricultural potential and a powerful reminder of the importance of technological development, sustainable practices, and community involvement in shaping the future of farming. The Mela left an indelible mark on all those who attended and reaffirmed the vital role of agriculture in the region's socio-economic development.
हर बड़ी प्रोडक्ट शुक्र खुदा ये द्राय थी वारिया प्रोडक्ट द्राय उम्मीद ये सब द्राय यम कर अभी सोबन यम कर वारिया मेहनत अस मतलब यह कम से कम 10 रुपये गरीब तबक मुमकिन ये मिले रोजगार